S9 Plus, and I noticed this about a week ago, and I need to change the little corner brush, and you can barely see it spinning around. Definitely needs to be replaced. It's not really getting the edges as great as I can. There's kind of a good view, but it's all twisted up, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And let me show you how.
Here we go.
Just a side note, I keep all my little spare parts for my M6 and my S9 Plus, and these are the air filters, and I believe this is the little side brush. Try to open it. Yes. All right, there it is. There's the little side brushes. They came, I don't remember how many came in a pack. I believe there were 3. So I've replaced one. So let me show you the old one and replace it real quick. Okay, so I am gonna flip this over to show you the bottom. Oh, don't do anything. Oh yeah, okay. It'll give you that message. I'm doing it in the middle. Of course, you see it. Wow, that's pretty bad. There's no brushes on it. Okay, he's back here to try to take it, but you see, it's not gonna get the edges and corners of the walls very well, so you see that. So let me change it. And it is a Phillips head screwdriver, and I do kind of keep a screwdriver around, that way I am motivated to do it, and it's a pretty small little Phillips head, so I'm gonna take that off and replace it with the other one. Okay, so I am using a bigger screwdriver for it. But it's just a tiny little screw. There it is. Come on out. Come on out. Anyway, there's a tiny, teeny little screw. The new ones come with a little screw in the middle right there. So, and you're gonna clean it out. There's usually a little hair wrapped around there, and you gotta keep it from the cats. That's it right there. I'm gonna use this big screwdriver. It just screws back on, very easy. It took me longer to figure out where I put these up than doing it. And you wanna make sure that you put the brushes away so the cats don't get them. Okay, so now you see the brushes. They are obviously sticking out when they spin. Restart it.
Close the lid, then press clean.
Okay. Okay, now it should pick up where it left off when I stopped it. So, there you go, and you can clearly see the brush spinning out where it is. Yeah. Now you'll get all the little crevices. And I noticed my forward crevices weren't getting very clean. So there you go. If you have cats, they will take them and play with them. So I already lost one. Hey, George. So do not leave them out unless you want them lost.